Alcohol and drug use can increase during times of stress as individuals engage in behaviors to try to manage emotions that they feel overwhelmed by. Additionally, for those who maybe aren't at work or spending more time at home, they might have more access to alcohol or drugs, or they might not be in environments where the use is prohibited. So unintentionally or unthinkingly, they might increase how much they're using. So I think it's important to be aware of how much alcohol or cannabis or other substances you are using, and setting limits and goals to how much you're intentionally going to use, and monitoring that to make sure that you're not unintentionally going over. As stress builds up, if you're feeling overwhelmed, there might be a tendency to go towards that. Additionally, I think it's important to look at other healthy coping strategies, other ways of managing anxiety, stress, managing time, and look at reducing opportunities for use by, say, putting alcohol or cannabis or drugs away where it's not so easy to access and you have to think about it before you go to it. So if your friend or loved one can't reach out to their normal support networks, maybe ask them if they have been in touch with Alberta Health Services Addiction Helpline or some of the online peer support programs that are providing people support and recovery through this time. Using supportive and non-stigmatizing, non-blaming language is very important to let people know that really your concern and care is for them and not trying to make them feel shamed. For people who are reducing, joining them in celebrating their success is also important. This can be a difficult thing to do at the best of times, and having people around them who are cheering for them can encourage them.
Together, we do amazing things every day.